What's up, guys? Sorry I haven't posted up any videos lately. I've just, haven't had any money lately. But anyway, I got Call of Legends and a triumphant pack. These are like the first two booster packs I get in like weeks, so pretty excited. My little sister pulled out a Lugia right now. Let me see it. From the Legend. Call of Legends. It's pretty cool, man. It's like one of my favorite legendaries. See that? Hollow and shit. Anyway. Yeah, good card. Hopefully I get something cool too. I'm gonna start it with my triumphant pack because that's how I'm gonna start the video. Just open this. 3, 1, 2. So okay. Nidoran, Carvana, Scorpion, Spoink, Venonat, so we're using the Electabuzz, Indigo Plateau, and Seeker. Now, after my rare and my reverse hollow, Dragonite. That is pretty cool because it's Dragonite. Not a big fan of Dragonite, pretty cool. And crappy Carvana. Dragonite makes up for it. Anyway, for my Call of Legends, I haven't opened or know what's inside this pack at all. I just know you can get like shiny legendaries, so I'm hoping for shiny Deoxys because that looks awesome. For shiny Rayquaza because that looks awesome. For shiny Kyogre because that looks awesome. Not much for. I don't have much luck when it comes to shinies at all, unless I hunt them down. But when it comes to cards, I'm just not good at them. Getting them. 2, 3, 1, 2. As you can see, I have Psychic Rock, Hitmonlee, Fanfi, Cyndaquil, Relicanth, Totodile. I love Totodile. My favorite water starter ever. Metal Energy, Magby, and Riolu. Now, as for my rares, Zangoose, bleh, and Quilava. That was crappy. Bleh. Whatever. Well, at least I got the Dragonite. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Dragonite, but I like it. It's a good Pokemon. Just don't like it because it's nothing. It looks nothing like its past evolution. I mean, really, how do you go from Dratini to Dragonair, and then some orange big dragon thing with little wings? I'm just saying. I'm not hating. I'm just saying. I do like my Totodile though. I love Totodile. Totodiles are awesome. Wait. Subscribe for Totodiles. Subscribe for Totodiles. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll try posting up more videos and seeing if I have any money left over to buy cards, because all I've been doing is spending my money on food. But anyway, thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me what booster cards, booster packs to get next time. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Anyway, I'm out.